MindMeister by Taylor Koote. What is MindMeister? MindMeister is a mobile and web application designed to allow you to make mind maps within seconds. I will be focusing on the web application. This application makes mind mapping limitless, allowing you to organize anything from a family tree to your everyday notes. This application is cloud-based. That means that you can access your mind maps from your computer, mobile phone, and tablet. This also means that you can present your mind maps on the go. You're probably wondering why you should mind map, aren't you? In general, mind mapping helps you structure your information. This enables you to see the big picture. You can let your creative ideas flow while staying organized with your work. You can also create floating topics within your mind maps, allowing you to create mind maps off of pre-existing ones that you've already made. What are the educational features of mind mapping with MindMeister? You can collaborate in real time, not only by sharing your mind maps, but by working on them with others at the same time. Your mind maps can be shared through Facebook, Twitter, email, Google Apps, and public maps on MindMeister. This application allows you to wirelessly stream your presentations with your iPhone or iPad to an Apple TV. You can present your MindMeister with your colleagues by inviting them to the website for a live broadcast. You don't have to worry about losing changes you have made to your mind maps because MindMeister saves all revisions automatically. This also means that you no longer have to worry about others changing your work and trying to remember how you came up with specific ideas and details, because you can revert your work back to its original state. While using MindMeister, you will never have to worry about losing your mind maps and not handing them in on time. Some other features of this application: you can export your maps to Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and other attachments such as Dropbox, Google Drive, Local File, and Evernote. Teachers can use MindMeister for lesson planning, as shown here. Students can use MindMeister for brainstorming schoolwork, for stories, and other things like essays. How to get started. When you first open up MindMeister, you will see a web page that looks like this. You will click on Get Started in the top right-hand corner. You will then be brought to a page that looks like this. There are 4 different types of accounts that you can have, but I chose the basic one, which is free, and you can have up to 3 mind maps. But if you want more than that amount of mind maps, you can also export your mind maps to other applications and then delete them off of MindMeister to allow you to have more space to make more. After doing that, you will be brought to a screen that looks like this. Next, you will click on New Mind Map under My Maps. Then you will see this box appear with different templates that you can pick from. I chose a blank template to start my mind mapping. Given all these points, why wouldn't you choose MindMeister over the standard pen and pencil way of making mind maps? You never lose your mind maps. The application is easy to use. You can take your work with you anywhere, present anywhere, and collaborate with friends and colleagues. Thank you, and once again, this is by Taylor Koote.